Okay, hi to everybody watching this. This is my first YouTube video. Wow! Okay, so I'm going to Penang trip with my friends and it's a 5-day trip and I just thought why not vlog the whole way. So I hope all my friends watching this will just enjoy the video and yeah! Okay, so now my brother is going to fetch me to the LRT station where me and my friends will plan together and then we're gonna go for the car trip. Oh, say hi Brendan. What's up? Okay, ready? 全部人讲 hi, hi. Oh wait, no, I'm not that far. Let's go! Oh wait, I can't eat bread. Because it makes me gassy.
Ethan's gonna let out a bad one.
No way!
It's gonna be powerful.
It will be silent and deadly.
It would definitely be silent but deadly.
A bad one indeed.
And then I'm gonna pick a victim to blame.
Oh wow.
Brandon, I'm choosing you. Okay. I plan to put us in the side.
Okay, enough proof that you have the coral film to do this. Where are the coral?
The edit. I'm gonna be the hawk. We're here, Ipoh. The trees, jeez. So we may not get a kaya puff. Michelle, do you want to share why you want a kaya puff?
Because it's really good.
Because someone buy like 3 to 5 boxes and then everything's gone. So we're gonna wait for it. We got the kaya puff! Kaya puff obsessions. This coffee A+. Noodle is here. So initially I wanted to go to Atie, which is over here. But then, for some reason it's closed. So we went to Dongtai and we just finished eating and trying out that amazing coffee. So now we're going to Taiping. Whoa!
Ah, trees!
I'm gonna rub my nose.
Push this ugly.
Wait, whoa. We only do positivity here. Who is this good looking guy? Yes!
At this point it sounds like a joke.
No, it's not a joke. Everyone here is psycho and this is Rainy. Rainy? Not ready. We now have reached Taiping Lake.
What are you doing?
What do you know I'm doing? I was sabotaged. You remember?
Oh, right.
100 plus, I think. I did, I hit my head. It was a bump, you know, the next day. I realized I have a lot of trauma. I need to do eye desensitization. Eye movement desensitization. Wait, but the wind is not helping me out. I'm trying to look good while walking. Wow, work it. Hi monkey.
Oh.
So pretty and calming. Oh. Hi guys, so we're currently in the mainland of Penang and we're going to go eat Lok Lok. So this is the Lok Lok. We got our Lok Lok already. And now we're gonna cook it inside the middle part of the table and then we'll eat. Okay, so we finished eating tuk tuk and now we're gonna go. Huh?
Lok Lok.
Lok Lok. Hey, wait, do you know the store tuk tuk Thai store? Lok Lok. Okay, so we finished eating Lok Lok and now we're going back to rest. Hi, so this is the end of day 1 and I lost my voice. Oh! So I lost my voice already, but we'll see how tomorrow and we'll figure it out. So now we're having dim sum and look, there's a lot of people. And we got a number already. Our number is C003. Dim sum. This is my friend Froggy. So we finished eating dim sum already and now we're walking in the morning pasta, but we're coming here in the afternoon because we were late. But it's still good though. We're just a bit sunny, but that's it. So we ordered 3 barley and we ordered 2 Milo ice there. So we don't know the price of it and we were like discussing 3x plus 2y. So since the total price is how much is it? 9 ringgit 90 cents. So 3x plus 2y equals to 9 ringgit 90 cents. But we come up to a conclusion that we can't calculate it until we order it again. We ordered another one, x plus y, 420. Milo 是2块币 but 1块半. Oh, so we're all wrong. I knew it. Whoa, so Hawaiian. Okay, let's go. You know we come at the most horrible time. At afternoon.
Yeah.
It's growing the root. The coconut is growing the root to the ocean. No! The coconut.
It's gonna reach here soon and you sprout.
Why is there a mineral bottle at that corner? Stop pollution. Thai beach. Goodbye. Okay, so now we're getting rojak. Rojak. It says do not toss coins, but there's coins. Okay, so now we're at St. Anne Church and we're just checking it out. It's such a sunny day, but the church is very pretty. Okay, so we already finished looking through at the church and now we're going to go to find a drink so that we can wait till the sun gets dimmer in order for us to walk at Mengkuang Reservoir peacefully and not get sunburned. All the kopitiam haven't opened yet. So now we're going to Beigongcha. Beigongcha.
Yes.
Okay, yes. We actually tried it before last time and it's not bad. But similar to Chaji.
What you say it is?
Yeah. Copyrighted. The cameraman never dies. Okay, so I ordered mahong bao, which is tahu bao. Try this better. Whoever gets this ball loses.
My deck is fun.
Okay, I got. Wait, what happened? If it's a bomb, then I'll get it first. I died, but no, but everyone, each player have one defuse, so I haven't died. My only defuse is now gone, so now my turn's over and it goes next turn. And we can put back the bomb anywhere in the pile, so I'm gonna put it in the middle because I'm kind. I literally saw your card.
I know, right? The one of the two that don't have defuse. No defuse, no defuse.
Who?
I chose eternal.
Oh, Ethan. Why?
He has a grudge on me.
Why?
Attack him! 因为我死了，我崩了。
你bomb了？
啊，
所以
那我第一个人拿崩，因为他有两个。
yeah.
He's too innocent. Okay, wait, don't attack him. Don't attack him.
I alter the future.
What's happening?
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Something unplanned.
I don't feel good. Oh wait, I got alter the future too. So I'm going to alter. Okay, I ain't dying. Okay, I ain't dying. What are you talking about? Okay guys, don't look, I'm gonna show the camera. So these are the 3 cards. Okay, so I can alter them. So I have no choice to give this to myself. Okay.
家园
Shuffle.
Boring.
2个光。
Did I say no? 我讲 no. You cannot shuffle.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You said no? Should we say no?
Oh my god.
No.
Can we play like this?
Cannot. I said no, you're no.
This is crazy.
Okay, fine. He gets to shuffle. It's okay. I have no choice. Cannot. Done. I'm gonna die, but I still can see the future, so I'm just gonna sleep for fun, then die. So. So I die first. Okay, and I get someone to die with me. Where you want to put it? On the top. Okay, Ivan won. Ivan won. Good game, guys. Good game, guys. Good game. Good game.
That's been a long time.
Wow. Mengkuang Dam. Here we go. Here. Time to walk. Got two options. Either the stairs, which looks like there's nobody, or the hill. And I think we are going to choose the hill. Because since everyone is taking a hill, we are going to use the hill.
Let's go.
Go, then run. Spread your wings. What? Everyone's running? Guys. Yeah, but oh, Brandon's running now. No, I'm peer pressured to run. I underestimated this hill.
Roll from the top.
Wow, no, I don't want to do that. The sun. This is why you wear Sunplay S50. Wait, what? Sunplay SPF 50 plus sunscreen.
Yeah, I know, right?
No, I'm not. It's just funny. We made it to the top of the hill. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Bro, you look exhausted. Say hi.
Hi.
This is therapy from studying pharmacy. The view. Because the guard told us that the dam is going to close soon, so we have to hurry up and reach to the end. The view, oh my gosh, so pretty. Should I take some photos? But I don't want to trouble anybody because I'm really picky. Okay, so we reached to the end. It's been an incredible journey. However, we need to go back because they're going to lock up. Guys, the sun's setting. The sun is setting. Goodbye, wonderful place. You will be missed. Till the next time. Don't know when. Maybe after graduation. Yeah, we can come back. Or not. Melbourne! I want to go there.
Yeah, this is the place.
Oh, so we are going to eat here. The Java mee should be somewhere there. Oh, look at the lights! Oh my gosh! Okay, so we just finished looking through the Mengkuang Dam, and now we're going back to the Java mee to eat at the next to the temple. Yes. Okay, we're changing tables because this one have two, so we can all sit together instead of like splitting it up. This chocolate looks good. I think I'll order kway teow. Hey, it looks so good eh. Oh my gosh. 一个茶龟咖是吗 ？OK。不用纸袋，我喜欢吃的沙哈。The noodle is in cube. Yeah, I saw it and it was really cool. So I guess I'll try it. And I also order this way. Kopitiam for us. I think this is called char kway teow, not car. I said wrong the whole time. But it looks good though, because the noodle is in a cube shape form. Remember to try this curry mee and that Java mee. Okay, so we finished eating dinner already, and now wait, where are we going again? We're going to mix store. No, we're gonna let the adults buy soju because they want to drink, but I'm not drinking. And then after that, we're gonna go rest. Yes, day 2 completed.
There is no sleep.
Penang! Bro! Where's the energy? Okay, let's go.
Probably you want a
toilet.
half.
Carbamazepine. It's not worth it for 10 ringgit. Sacrifice you guys as bait and then we're gonna run past. How do people eat prettily? We are here. Michelle will be the eagle, okay? I just get ready. Like a vampire, like it. Where's the squirrels? Don't forget to breathe. Take antihistamine.
I don't think it's...
What? Guys, I think this is the botanical garden.
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Guys, look here.
I saw you catch that and then I just...
Oh, he cut me. End of the Penang trip vlog. Subscribe. Okay, bye.